What's up, guys? Draco Fishing. Got some worms. Let's catch something. This is crazy. I shouldn't be able to walk from the bank to this little island peninsula right here. That's how low the water level is. I'm able to just go right into a couple inches of water and just cross like it's nothing. This water level is low. Not good. We need rain. On the bright side, I've got a much better fishing spot right here. Like I said, kind of a peninsula slash island where now it puts me into more access. Hopefully we catch something. Get right back out there. Fish on. Got ourselves a beautiful little bluegill right there. Thank you for the catch, buddy. There we go, fish on. What do we got? Nice. Larger size bluegill. Oh. Dang. Good little fight. Beautiful bluegill. I'll get you back in the water, buddy. There he goes. All right, here we go. Oh. Fish on, fish on. Fish on. Another little one. Just pan fishing. But I'll take it. Catch is a catch. Oh, unless I can lose them to the vegetation over here. What do we got? Another bluegill. Thank you for the catch, buddy. Take care, buddy. Oh, there he goes. There we go, hook set. There's another little one. See, same species. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go, guys. Species number 2. Beautiful largemouth bass right there. Whew. Get this beauty right back in the water. Catch, kiss and release, guys. Thank you for the catch, buddy. You become a monster bass now, all right? Get you right back. Oh, there he goes. Adios. Hook set, fish on. All right, guys, so it's just another bluegill. I thought it was a hybrid sunfish. Thought it was like a green sunfish bluegill hybrid, but it's just a beautiful bluegill. Thank you for the catch, buddy. Adios. Hook set. Oh, fish on. Let's see, come on. Species number 3. Oh, let's see. Species number 3. Beautiful shell cracker, red ear sunfish right there. Catch, kiss and release, get them right back in the water, guys. Man, the other bobber's going. Thank you for the catch, buddy. Fish on. Man, as soon as I hit the water, what do we got? It's a fighter. Another beautiful shell cracker, red ear sunfish. You see that little red ear right there? Thank you for the catch, buddy. Catch, kiss and release. Get this beauty right back in the water, guys. All right, buddy, thank you for the catch. Go become a monster shell cracker, all right? Adios. Dang, it's getting hit already. Set the hook. Fish on. Ooh, that one's fighting. Beautiful bluegill right there. Take care, buddy. There we go. Oh, dang. Bobber drop. Come on, hit again. Whew. Here we go. Fish on. And oh, it's a beautiful little one. Beautiful bluegill. Thank you for the catch, buddy. Get you right back out. All right, cast this back out. See if we get another species. 3 species: bluegill, largemouth bass, shellcracker. Boom. Oh, fish on. Oh man, that went into my other line. Oh man. Well, too close. Thank you for the catch, buddy. Take care, buddy. There he goes.